Well, I think you're starting to see that businesses really want to be able to accomplish more and create more productivity with less employees or less team members. And you're starting to see this across a lot of retail operations. Like I know when I go to Walmart now, you've got your self-checkout, and there's probably only 2 or 3 people actually at checkouts when there normally would be 12 or 15. And I'm seeing it at McDonald's as well too. When you order, you're now ordering into a screen. Well, why are they doing that? It's all because they want to create efficiency on the labor side or reduce their labor costs. So you're starting to see a lot of it in the manufacturing world as well, on the manufacturing floor, where you're starting to bring in cobots or even robots to do some of the work there. Obviously, you're seeing it in retail, as we talked about, but you're also going to start to see it more in some of the back office functionality too, and that's where AI is bringing some of that capability in. So whether it be accounts payable processing or automating your AP processing is one place. Customer service is another area where you're going to start to see it as well too. You're going to have more of that being handled by an AI engine or a virtual bot, where you can chat with a virtual agent or essentially an AI, which will then respond to you and give you the information you need without having to engage with a person. So I see that as a bigger trend here over the next few years. So a few places where you could start with automation: if you have things going on in the warehouse where you're moving something back and forth from one place to another repeatedly, that would be an option to do that. Another way is in AP automation. If you think about all of the invoices that you're getting in, are there patterns you can recognize within those invoices which allow you to repeat them and then create a more simplified approval process? There should be options to do that. On customer service side, are you getting the same question over and over and over again? Like, what are your hours? Or any of those types of questions. Like, you can put them on your website, but if you can also put them into your virtual agent so that people who are asking that question can get an answer more quickly. So those are places where I would focus on automation. Is what is something repeatable that happens frequently? That's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. So when you think about process automation, I think the first thing you start with is the process design. So take some time to go back and look at, how would you design this process for technology? So before you even bring the technology into it, think about what can you automate, what is the order, and what can be easily repeated and automated. And then once you've done that, I would look at the best tool for that particular job. It might be one of the ERP tools, it might be a CRM tool, or it might be something out of the Power Platform. So Microsoft has a tool called Power Automate, which is really designed for just repeatable processes, or when one event triggers, do another event. So different tools for the different job, but if you have a good design in place of what you want to automate, then we can help you figure out the right tool from there.